A lot of brands I talk to think paying for data connectors is not worth the money. Are you serious? Since when did free apps become as good as paid solutions? If you're using the TikTok app for Shopify, you're not getting the most reliable tracking into TikTok ads, and that's damaging the return on ad spend from TikTok. Here's how you can use Littledata to change that. With Littledata's TikTok connection, we send a more reliable stream of all the events that are happening on your store back into TikTok ads. So when you're sending traffic to your site, TikTok knows whether those people are converting on your Shopify store, and that allows the placement of those ads to be optimized. So if you're switching from the TikTok app to Littledata's paid solution, you're going to get a big jump in your return on ad spend on TikTok. Over 20% of your conversion tracking may be lost to Meta if you're using the free Facebook sales channel from your Shopify store. Now, if you're doing $1 million a month in revenue, that means you're losing around $200,000 every month of attributed conversions into Meta. And that's incredibly damaging for the downstream performance of your ads. You can fix this in 10 minutes. Here's how. So with Littledata's server-side connection, we can share all of the conversion data from your Shopify store into Facebook ads, Instagram ads in a reliable way that does not rely on the actual pixel firing on the web page. We do that by actually every time a conversion is coming through on Shopify, feeding that through to Meta, and that gives you more reliable tracking. It's a more reliable signal, which means the ads can auto-optimize and learn which are the best performing creative and positioning. And that means you'll get a higher return on your ad spend. Any D2C brand relying only on pixel-based tracking in 2025 has a high risk of going bust due to ad overspend. If you're a marketer stuck in the old ways of tracking your campaigns, then here's a simple 10-minute fix you can do to change this. With Littledata, we do server-side and client-side tracking, and that means you're not reliant on a pixel in the browser firing in order to understand whether the ads are working or not. By adding the server-side events from Shopify servers direct into the marketing channels you're using, we can future-proof your ads measurement to get around this problem so that you're not going to have a massive problem coming down the tracks in 2025. And setting up Littledata is a no-code solution that takes just 10 minutes to connect Shopify with your marketing channels. We have a 30-day free trial, so if you're hesitant about how you're going to evolve your marketing measurement into 2025, I would say give this a try.